Based on most recent data, cyber attacks and cyber crimes cost the global economy about $600 billion a year. So cyber attacks are normally associated with malicious software, which we call malware. Normally there is vulnerable programs in your computer, and the attackers try to use these vulnerable programs to get into your computer in the first place. And once they get into the computer, they can load their malicious program and perform malicious behaviors. The title of the project is using low-level hardware features for malware detection and defense. Our overall research goal is to improve the overall security of a general computer system and to defend against malware attacks. Existing detecting mechanism, how they work is if there are existing malwares out there, normally they get a signature of the malware stored in their defending mechanism. So whenever this software they try to execute, then they will match the existing signatures to say, oh, if this is a malware that I know, I can just block it or stop it from execution, right? However, what if this is something you never seen before? Then existing mechanism will not work because there's no existing signatures. Our research is the other way around. We record signatures, but the signatures is the regular behavior of the software. Our research observation is the software is mainly written for a specific purpose, so it should have its regular behavior. And most of the time, the attackers, how they use the software is using it in a way undesired behavior. So that's why our defining mechanism is to build our statistical model with advanced machine learning algorithms to monitor the regular behavior of the software. Then if there's an attack happening, anomaly behavior, we will detect, then classify this as you're under attack, then we defend against it.